Hello, everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel, MOS. MOS stands for Mathematical Optimization Systems and Solutions, and in this trailer, I will provide a brief overview of the channel. This channel will be dedicated to solving everyday business problems using the principles of optimization. Manufacturing, business operations, and supply chains are all complex parts of today's global marketplace. Running even a small business requires making hundreds of decisions, and determining the best course of action is often a complicated endeavor. Using mathematical models can be a highly effective way to improve your bottom line, and that will be the focus of this channel. We'll cover a variety of areas where optimization can be used to solve everyday business problems and walk through the process of building a mathematical model, converting it to a linear program, and finding answers using open source free solvers. Most importantly, I hope that you all enjoy the content and find new and creative ways to solve some of your most challenging business problems.